So in a recent video we just showed you how to remove the headlamp unit on your Fiat Ducato. So this is a little rerun of the what you need to do to remove the unit. So you need a torque 30 torque bit in that screw, and the same in the screw up in the top corner there, which is pretty straightforward. Just remove them two screws, and it makes actually changing the headlight bulbs or the side light bulbs or the indicators a lot more accessible than in the position the headlamps are sat in the vehicle. So there's the first screw removed, and then we'll remove the like a plastic cap screw in the top corner. So we'll just remove that one. Always nice to put a little tiny bit of oil on them screws as they go back in, because it makes it so much easier for next time when you want to remove it. So there's the second screw removed with that plastic sleeving on it. The next thing is to disconnect the connection that goes in the back of the lamp, which is easily done by just pushing the little grey clip sideways and releasing the plug. And then just by dropping the unit towards the centre of the vehicle, it becomes removed. So that's and there's some little plates down there that it locates in. So once the unit's been removed and you can access the rear of the light unit, then a lot more easier. All you need to do is remove these rubber covers on the back. So just for the indicator and the daytime running light are in that one, which is the side light, as well as a daytime running light, or the dipped beam, we'll just remove the rubber on that one as well. Just remove them rubber plugs, and then on the main beam on the inside, that one there. So then we can get access easily to the bulbs that are located, one there and one up the top. So we just literally, I wanted to run this video because I wanted to show you exactly what the bulb numbers are that goes in this light unit, this lamp unit for the Fiat Ducato. So if you ever need to order a spare, possibly replace one, you'll know exactly what bulb you need to get out of without taking out the unit or accessing the bulb. Then you can just replace it easily. So the first bulb we're going to look at is the indicator, which I'm just going to twist that. It's just a little gentle twist on that, and then it's as simple as just pulling the bulb out of the unit. So if I just let that rest a second, there's the bulb. And if you need to replace that, it's a Capless style bulb, so it will just remove with a little bit of force out of there. So it's as simple as that. So on the original bulb that's in there, it's a little bit difficult to see the number on that bulb. It's a little bit of a tricky one, so I've got another bulb to show you. So here is the indicator bulb. It's a 21 watt 12 volt orange indicator bulb, and the if you want to order this up from like the company called Ring, the part number is RINR 585. So that is the number of that one. And we'll just try and, I'm just going to try and turn that round so you can see how it operates, the capless part of it. So there we are, there's the bulb, that's for your indicator. So what we're going to do is just slot that one back in. So it's very simple, the bayonet just slides in like that, snicks in position, and there's the hole that it locates back into, and it literally just locates in like that, and then a quick turn snaps into position there. Okay, so while I've got that camera running, I'm just going to remove, in the same method, the side light bulb. There he is. And I noticed this one here has got a little tinge of black on it, so I'm going to change this bulb for a new one. So there is the bulb, and I'm going to pull that out. After a period of time they get a little bit tinged, so we're going to change that bulb as a matter of course. So this one is actually in the box, the side light bulb, so I'll just hold it there for a minute. 21 watt 5 watt RB 580, 12 volt 21/5 watt. We'll just remove that from the box. There's our new bulb, which again is a lot cleaner than the other one that I took out, a lot less tarnished. So again guys, it's totally capless, and it just slots in to them little slots. Simple as that. Clips in position, nice and simple, and then back in the holder into your lamp unit, and a quick twist and it's located in position. So that's job done on that one. And then we can just replace the rubber cover on the back of it. Make sure it's nicely sealed up. Perfect. So the next one we're going to look at is the dip beam, and in the picture here you can see there's a couple of little tiny clips. There's one that side and one the opposite side, so it's a little bit tricky for me to demonstrate. What you've got to do is literally push them little clips back in, and then you need to be holding the back of this and remove it with them little clips pushed in. You can do it one side at a time. Right, what I'm going to try and do is just show you by just pushing that little clip sideways. There's one side released. And by just accessing the other side, push that one and release your bulb from the holder. There it is. So what I'm going to do next, and if you need to remove that bulb, take a tight grip on where it plugs in and just ease it out gently, and there it comes out just like that. And there's the you can see the slots that it goes into, the couplings, the connectors, and then to go back in like that, then that bulb will literally just go back in. Another little piece of information before you actually put the bulb in, that piece of metal there has to locate in a little slot down there. So as long as you just let it sort of ease back in, and then it will just snap in position with that little slot lined up. So that's how easy that one is. We'll just show the replacement bulb, which is that one there, H7, pretty common bulb. And this is the ring. There you go. So this is the main beam plug, which is exactly the same as the dip beam. So we don't even need to take that out. It's the same style of location. So again, it's just by pushing the little prongs in and you'll remove the bulb, exactly the same as the dip beam. So there is the replacement bulbs that you need for this job.